All right, welcome back. We are on level 12 of lesson 1, Intro to App Lab. Our goal is to create a new screen called Right Screen. Add a text label that says you went right. So how? In design mode, which we're in, drag in a new screen element. All right, so let's do that. Okay, screen element, we're going to drag that in. Pop. And we're going to change its ID to right screen, again using camel case. Then drag a label onto the screen and change your text to say you went right. All right, so a label. Do we have a label? Oh, yep, there we go. Label. All right, we're going to say this is the right label. Why not? And then the text is going to say you went right. Okay? Um, we're going to make the font size 80. Why not? We get to design. All right. And just because I can, um, there we go. I want to center it. And then, ooh, we got border color, text color. Um, do we have a background color? There we go. Found it. All right. I think 255. If I type that, and if I get rid of this, there we go. All right. You went right. Oh, now the text color's got to be white. So we're going to drag that up there. Excellent. All right. Close enough to count. Because I'm sure that if I lower this and like if I went back to say 30, oh nope, there we go. All right, so you went right. You went right. Excellent. Let's go 50. That works. All right, so we've got our screen. We've done our design. We've changed our ID in our right screen. We've done all that. So if I go back to the left screen, if I go back to the start screen, and just because we can, let's give ourselves a little more practice. So right button text, right color red, okay, all of that. And so on events, when we click on the right button, it will set the screen to right screen. Let's see if that works. Click. All right, so choose your adventure. Left, you went left. So I'm going to reset and I'm going to run. Right, you went right. All right, so when you're finished, when you've got all this, you're ready to move on, you can click the orange finish button and I'll see you on level 13. Here we go.